muchachas about angry chicks.
Nextville hot chicks. You're going leaps and bounds. Are like in Okay, everyone. This is angry chicks. Chicken sandwich. This is the mild. I heard their sound just tend to get really hot, so I kept it easy peasy today. $6 buckaroos. Ooh, so what do you think about that, muchachos, and muchachas? Look at that. Look at those swallows. They look good. Better put this on. So we're gonna get this a shot. And it's kind of depressing. That means the holidays are coming.
Not that the holidays are depressing, but this year went fast.
Where did the time go? It's been such a great year. But let's get back to the sandwich. Piece of character in all sorry, but sen is absolut verkligen. Another a meal fish. Do I dare say it? Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. The pickles and sauce.
It's like it's not gonna bounce. Group city. This is not hanging out, but that's my real. What's in it? Overlost, just give me. Why is it be in? Girls, listen, look at her. Send you to the gamer. Send it out. Okay, that's good. Yep. This is so good, it's making me angry. Out of scale, I'm giving Angry Chicks mild traditional.